Wait, before you scroll away, let me ask you something. What if I told you that your brain already has everything you need to speak English fluently? You just don't know how to unlock it yet. Stay with me for the next few minutes, and I'll show you exactly how. Hello, my friend. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I want to share something that will completely change the way you think about learning English. Let me tell you a story about a woman named Maria. Maria was a university student who studied English for 6 years. She knew all the grammar rules. She had notebooks full of vocabulary lists. But when someone spoke to her in English, she froze. Her mouth wouldn't move. The words stayed locked inside her head. One day, Maria sat in her room and cried. She said to herself, "Why can't I do this? Maybe I'm just not smart enough for English." She felt hopeless and wanted to give up. But then something changed. Maria discovered a simple secret. She learned that her problem wasn't her intelligence. Her problem was that nobody taught her how to train her brain correctly. You see, your brain is like a garden. If you throw seeds on hard ground and walk away, nothing grows. But if you prepare the soil, water it every day, and give it sunlight, beautiful flowers appear. English works the same way. Maria started doing something very simple. Every morning when she woke up, she said one English sentence out loud. Just one. Today will be a good day. That's it. Then she went about her day. At lunch, she listened to one short English story while eating. Just 5 minutes. Nothing more. Before bed, she wrote one English word in her notebook and looked at it. She didn't memorize lists anymore. She just wrote one word and imagined it. If the word was rain, she closed her eyes and pictured dark clouds, felt drops on her skin, heard the sound of water hitting the ground. Her friends laughed at her. They said, 5 minutes? That's nothing. You need to study for hours. But Maria didn't listen. She continued her small daily practice. After 30 days, something amazing happened. Maria was watching a movie, and suddenly she understood a full conversation without subtitles. She didn't translate. The English just made sense. After 60 days, she was speaking with her classmates, and the words came out naturally. Her mouth moved easily. She wasn't thinking about grammar rules. She was just communicating. After 90 days, Maria's teacher asked her, "What happened to you? Your English is completely different now." Maria smiled and said, "I stopped fighting my brain. I started training it with love." The secret Maria discovered is this. Your brain doesn't learn English from pressure. It learns from repetition, emotion, and joy. Think about how you learned your first language. Nobody gave you grammar books when you were 2 years old. You learned water because you were thirsty. You learned mother because you wanted love. Each word had feeling. Each word had life. That's how your brain remembers best. Not from boring lists, but from experiences. Let me give you a powerful exercise. Right now, I want you to learn the word excited. Don't just read it. Feel it. Imagine something that makes you excited. Maybe it's your birthday, or meeting a friend, or eating your favorite food. Now say the word with that feeling. I am excited. Say it again with a big smile. Can you feel the difference? Your brain just stored that word deeper because you connected it with emotion. That's the power of training your brain correctly. Here's another trick Maria used. She started thinking in English. Not complicated thoughts, just simple ones. When she woke up, she thought, I open my eyes, I sit up. I drink water. When she walked, she thought, I walk. The sun is warm. The street is busy. These small thoughts trained her inner voice. Soon, her brain stopped translating. It started living in English. Now, I know what you're thinking, but I don't have time to practice every day. Let me ask you something. Do you have 5 minutes while brushing your teeth? Do you have 3 minutes while waiting for the bus? Do you have 2 minutes before sleep? That's 10 minutes total. In 1 year, those 10 minutes become more than 60 hours of brain training. 60 hours. Imagine how different your English will be after 60 hours of practice. The real question is not, do I have time? The question is, do I want to change? Maria wanted to change. She gave her brain small drops of English every single day, and like water shaping a stone, those small drops created something beautiful. Today, Maria works in an international company. She speaks English with confidence. She travels. She makes friends from different countries. And she always tells people, I'm not special. I just trained my brain the right way. You can do the same thing, starting today, starting right now. So here's my challenge for you. For the next 7 days, give your brain just 5 minutes of English each day. Pick one thing you enjoy. Maybe it's a song, a short video, or a simple story like this one. Do it every day. Don't skip. After 7 days, come back and tell me in the comments how you feel. I promise you'll notice a difference. And if this story helped you today, please hit that like button. It helps more learners like you find this channel. Subscribe if you want more stories and lessons that actually work. Remember, your brain is not your enemy. It's your most powerful tool. Treat it with patience, feed it daily, and watch English come alive inside you. I'll see you in the next video with another story that will help your English journey. Until then, keep practicing, keep believing, and keep growing. Thank you for being here, my friend. Now go train that amazing brain of yours.